Hello, lovely ladybugs. My desk is full as you can see. I am putting together a page from the book of stitchery that we're doing on my Facebook page. And I saw this on Pinterest. It's such a beautiful little thing, so I'm going to do something similar. Unfortunately, I don't know who to give the credit to, but it's not going to be exactly the same, but it's just little mushrooms and it's just gorgeous. So I'm not going to talk because I'm going to speed this up, otherwise I will bore you to tears. So this is just a piece of calico. I have gathered some stuff and I will just start collaging this. I just thought it would be fun to do it, and then I will of course share it on my page. Where's my, it's buried. My pins. Let's just pin this down. I'm not doing any stitching. I just want to do a little bit of a collage, very similar to what this lady did. There's no, yeah, if I can find her name or who did this, then I will give the credit because it's just too gorgeous. And I just thought, because on this journal stitchery that we're doing back pages, what I'm calling back pages. So it's like a journal of stitchery and a journal, a fabric journal. So like this is one of the back pages. It's not finished. Oops, let's put this in front of the camera. It's not finished. I'm probably going to still embroider on here. I'm debating whether to glue this down because, you know, it's quite hard. It's very hard. You can see I've already drawn it, and if you can see that there, to embroider. And it needs more, So just to give you an idea, and this is the other side. Isn't this beautiful? This is pure embroidery done by my aunt's mother long time ago. I mean, this is just perfection. The back is the same as the front. That's what me, compared to this kind of embroidery, I'm a hack. So just to show you. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking and speed everything up. Yeah, so this is just a piece of lace, and let's carry on. So let's see what I come up with, guys. Okay guys, let me lift this, or maybe I can me just zoom in a bit more for you to see. I am going to add a lot more to this, but like the stems. Can you see that there on the mushrooms? They're just so cute. I'm going to add more bits and pieces, and I will do some stitching on it. So these are all, I mean, these I have to, you know, perfect them a little bit more, if you know what I mean, place them a bit better. And then I will place stems as well for the mushrooms. And the rest I will stitch and add some more I'll add some mushrooms there. I'm going to do some embroidery here, like grass type thing. So this, I'll call this part 1, shall I? I don't want to make it too long, so it'll be once it's sped up. But and then I'll be back with. Okay, people, so I kind of have my base now. So I've taken all my mushrooms off and I've redone my base. I've added other fabrics here. Let me come in closer. Okay, you won't get the full thing, but yeah. So I've added pink, I've added that. The lace you already saw, I've added this pink lace here. I've added another patch here. I'll probably add another one here. So now I'm going to go and do some running stitch. I'm going to iron it first, do running stitch, and then to secure everything, and then I will start adding all my little mushies, because I just adore mushies. Okay, so that's the full picture there. So I shall be right back with more.